Now what are the characteristics of mode? What are the main features or characteristics of mode? This is merits and demerits. First we will take the merits. Simple to calculate and sometimes can be located at a glance. Mode is not a very difficult calculation, and sometimes just looking at the series, just at a glance you can find out what is mode if the frequency or the series what is given to you that is not very big, simple figures are there, then it is easy to locate mode at a glance. Second, less affected extreme marginal values in the series, it is affected by highest frequencies. So it is less affected by extreme marginal values. That means marginal means both the sides extreme values are given, suppose, then it is not affected much. It is affected by highest frequency, because whatever is the highest frequency, as I told you here, then you have to consider highest frequency. So it is affected by highest frequency, not by the marginal values or marginal frequencies. It is mainly considering highest frequency. Can be located graphically. This I will tell you how to locate mode graphically. So another advantage or merit is this, that mode can be located graphically. And fifth, this is fourth one, this is best representative of the series. That means it represents the series in a proper manner. So this way it has got the merits. Demerits, uncertain and vague measure of central tendency, because it is considering only highest frequency. So sometimes it may prove to be uncertain and vague measure of finding out central tendency. When frequency of all items are same, it is difficult to calculate or locate mode, because mode is how many times particular item appears in the series, what is the frequency. So if all the items have same frequency, then it is difficult to calculate. It involves long process of grouping data. As I told you in the case of discrete series, the grouping what we did, grouping the frequency in 2s and 3s. This is little, you can say, complicated or long process, especially when the series is quite big, because if the series is small it is easy to do the grouping, but if the series are very big or large, then the grouping will take a long time. So this is a demerit. It ignores extreme marginal frequencies because it is locating only highest frequencies. It is not based on the value of all items, thus not very accurate. Because it is not based on value of all the items, it is just locating highest frequency, so it may not be very accurate at times. But in spite of demerits, still mode is used in calculating measure of central tendency.